What if the future of your kitchen is being built right now by ideas that sound almost impossible? These crazy crowdfunded inventions of 2026 are redefining how we cook, prepare, and experience food in ways you won't believe. Bold, unexpected, and surprisingly genius. Each one pushes boundaries you didn't know existed. And trust me, the last invention feels like something straight out of the future. Number 1. Meet the HiCOZY F3, a 5-in-1 home slushie and ice cream maker that brings creativity, speed, and pure fun into every moment. The moment you pour in your favorite drink, everything changes. Within minutes, it transforms into a smooth, icy texture. Perfect slushies, creamy ice cream, refreshing frozen drinks, all made right in front of you. No pre-freezing, no complicated steps, just instant results. What makes the HiCOZY F3 truly next level is its versatility. It doesn't limit you to one type of treat. You can experiment, mix flavors, and create something new every time. From classic desserts to unique frozen creations, it adapts to whatever you're craving. And the experience, fun, fast, and incredibly satisfying. You're not waiting or planning ahead anymore. You're creating on demand. Using it feels creative and effortless. Every use feels like a small experience, not just a task. This isn't just a dessert maker, it's a smarter way to eat frozen treats, where speed, variety, and creativity come together in one sleek machine. Number 2. What if your food could tell you exactly what's inside it instantly? Meet Ultrean, the world's first AI-powered nutrition scale that transforms how you understand what you eat. The moment you place your food on it, it goes beyond simple weight. It identifies, analyzes, and breaks down nutritional details in real time, giving you a clear picture of what you're about to consume without any guesswork. What makes Ultrean truly next level is how effortless it feels. You're not manually tracking calories or searching for data. It does the thinking for you, turning everyday meals into smart, informed decisions. And the experience? Clean, intuitive, and incredibly empowering. You're not just eating anymore, you're understanding your food on a deeper level. Using it feels controlled and precise. Every choice becomes more intentional, helping you stay aligned with your goals without extra effort. This isn't just a kitchen scale, it's a smarter way to eat, where AI turns information into awareness with every meal. Number 3. Meet SmoqeX, an all-in-one indoor pellet smoker that brings outdoor flavor into a controlled, modern cooking experience. The moment you start using it, it feels like a complete upgrade. Rich, smoky flavors develop smoothly, while the system keeps everything clean, contained, and easy to manage indoors. No heavy setups, no outdoor limitations, just pure flavor on demand. What makes SmoqeX truly next level is its versatility. One moment you're slow smoking for deep, bold taste, the next you're air frying or grilling with precision and speed. It adapts to your cooking style without forcing you to switch between multiple appliances. And the experience? Seamless, powerful, and incredibly satisfying. You're not restricted by space or weather anymore. You're cooking exactly how you want, whenever you want. Using it feels creative and controlled. Every meal becomes an opportunity to experiment and enjoy richer results. This isn't just a cooking device, it's a complete flavor system designed for a future where convenience and performance come together in one place. Number 4. Meet Dostia, a traditional chai brewing machine that brings authentic flavor into a modern, effortless experience. The moment you start brewing, it feels familiar yet upgraded. It carefully blends tea, milk, and spices with the right timing and temperature, recreating that rich, aromatic taste without the usual trial and error. What makes Dostia truly next level is how it respects tradition while adding precision. It doesn't rush the process, it follows it, ensuring every cup has the same depth, balance, and warmth you expect from perfectly brewed chai. And the experience? Smooth, comforting, and incredibly consistent. You're not standing over the stove anymore, you're letting the process happen exactly as it should. Using it feels relaxing and satisfying. Every cup comes out just right, turning a daily routine into something you look forward to. This isn't just a chai maker, it's a smarter way to enjoy tradition, where authentic flavor meets modern convenience in every sip. Number 5. What if every meal you made tasted like it came from a professional kitchen with just one button? Meet Agari, a world-class chef-quality oven designed to bring precision, consistency, and creativity into your home. The moment you start cooking, it feels effortless. It doesn't just heat, it understands how food should be prepared, controlling temperature and timing with accuracy that delivers perfectly cooked results every time. What makes Agari truly next level is how it simplifies complexity. You're not adjusting settings or second-guessing the process. It handles everything in the background, turning even advanced recipes into something easy and enjoyable. And the experience? Smooth, reliable, and incredibly satisfying. You're not worrying about overcooking or undercooking anymore. You're trusting the process completely. Using it feels empowering. You cook with confidence, knowing the result will match your expectations every time. This isn't just an oven, it's a smarter way to cook, where professional-level results meet everyday simplicity. Number 6. What if perfect chocolate wasn't a skill you mastered, but a result you could achieve every single time? Meet the Chocolatier Pro, a smart tempering system designed to bring artisan-level precision into your kitchen. The moment you start using it, everything feels controlled. It carefully manages temperature, ensuring the chocolate melts, cools, and sets exactly as it should, creating that smooth texture and glossy finish that defines professional quality results. What makes it truly next level is how it removes the guesswork. You're not constantly checking or adjusting. This system guides the process with precision, so your chocolate turns out consistent, clean, and beautifully finished every time. And the experience? Calm, refined, and incredibly satisfying. You're not struggling with technique anymore, you're focusing on creativity. Using it feels empowering. Whether you're crafting desserts or experimenting with designs, every result feels intentional and polished. This isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a smarter way to create, where technology helps you achieve perfection in every detail. Number 7. What if your dough could tell you exactly when it's ready? No guessing, no overproofing. Meet Crustello, a smart AI dough and sourdough tracker designed to bring precision into one of the most unpredictable parts of baking. The moment you start using it, everything feels more controlled. Instead of relying on timing alone, it monitors the fermentation process in real time, tracking how your dough develops and evolves. What makes Crustello truly next level is how it understands your dough. It analyzes changes, predicts readiness, and guides you through the process so you know exactly when to bake for the best texture and flavor. And the experience? Calm, accurate, and incredibly satisfying. You're not second-guessing anymore. You're baking with confidence. Using it feels like having a silent expert beside you. Every batch improves, every result becomes more consistent, and your skills grow naturally with it. This isn't just a baking tool, it's a smarter way to master sourdough, where AI turns uncertainty into precision and perfect timing. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.